following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Emergency Management Agency, Buffalo, New York. The New York State Department of Environmental Conservation has issued an air quality health advisory for the following counties: Allegheny, Cattaraugus, Chautauqua, Wyoming, Erie, Genesee, Orleans, Niagara. Air quality levels in outdoor air are predicted to be greater than an air quality index value of 100. The Air Quality Index, or AQI, was created as an easy way to correlate levels of different pollutants to one scale. The higher the AQI value, the greater the health concern. When pollution levels are elevated, the New York State Department of Health recommends that individuals consider limiting strenuous physical activity to reduce the risk of adverse health effects. People who may be especially sensitive to the effects of elevated levels of pollutants include the very young and those with pre-existing respiratory problems such as asthma or heart disease. Those with symptoms should consider consulting their personal physician. A toll-free air quality hotline has been established, so New York residents can stay informed on the air quality situation. The toll-free number is 1-800-535-1345.